Scooby-Doo.
Good morning, everybody. I just woke up from a 20-minute nap. Sophie's been sleeping for like an hour now. So I'm gonna make some coffee. I look really good. I'm gonna make some more coffee because we already had some coffee today. So, and I also need to charge this battery. Okay. I'm looking real good. Sophie? So? It's time to wake up. Sophie? Sophie, I have coffee. Sophie. I thought I heard your alarm go off. Did you turn it off? I'm gonna go back to sleep. I was like, stop it, stop the noise.
Oh, is that good? Look at her eat the watermelon. It's so funny.
So Sophie and I have been just literally sleeping by the pool. Soph slept for like 2 hours by the pool, and I got a lot of emails done, so that was great. Now I'm heading to yoga, and Sophie's heading to some event tonight, which is super exciting. So yeah, we'll be meeting back up later tonight, but I don't know like if I'm gonna be filming or not. So I think it's gonna be pretty late, but yeah, I probably won't film yoga because it's a new instructor and I don't know who it is. And also, just filming yoga is kind of weird. So I'm sorry if this vlog has been really short, but it's kind of been like all over the place, like trying to figure out like what the plans are and all that. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to check back in because I totally forgot that I was vlogging today, so I need to get back into the swing of like picking up my camera and actually filming. Oh, I see you found a little spot right there. Just like every corner of my house has an outlet now because I'm so annoyed of not having things to plug. Sophie. I know, I haven't even shown you in the vlog yet. I'm like, hello, Sophie. She's so beautiful. Look at her. Ooh, going out. Ooh. Ooh, kill him. And look at me. I'm like a turd. I need a better shirt for this sports bra, but I guess it doesn't really matter that much. All right, I'm back from yoga. It was really hard today. Sophie went to the event. I'm home alone, so I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube and take a bath. I'll show you what I'm gonna put in my bath. I feel like it never really changes though. It's just like the brands change. I've been using this bath soak because it says BS and that's my initials. Not for bath soak. This smells really good. It smells like rose and black pepper. It doesn't really smell like black pepper, but I don't really know what black pepper smells like. So I use a little bit of this, a little bit of bath salts. I just hit myself in the head with that if you guys noticed. And then I use a little bit of my coconut oil, shear oil, and this I just like put it on the top of the bath, and then when I get in, it's like it coats your body in oil, so you don't even have to like put it in your hand and like rub it on. If it's floating at the surface of your bath, you get in and it's like already coated on you. So I like that. And then I think I'm gonna do the Tata Harper. This is the, I always read the French side and I'm like, what does it say? This is the resurfacing mask. And I love it. Oh my gosh, my arms are so tired from yoga. Okay, so I'm gonna run a bath and that's gonna be lovely. And I'm gonna load up some YouTube and I'm just gonna binge. It's gonna be great.